Welcome to this Tauri tutorial. Today we're building a system tray app that lives in your menu bar. System tray apps are perfect for background utilities and quick access tools. Let's verify you have Rust, Cargo, Node, JS, and NPM installed. Everything looks good. We'll start by creating a new Tauri project with React and TypeScript. We copy our base template and navigate into the project directory. Now we install the dependencies with npm install. This gives us a clean starting point for our tray app. For Tauri 2.0, we need to enable the tray icon feature in Cargo.toml. We add features equals tray icon to the Tauri dependency. This enables the system tray functionality in our app. Now, we configure the system tray in our Rust backend. We add a setup closure to the builder and create menu items for show, hide, and quit. The TrayIconBuilder creates our tray icon with the menu attached. Each menu event handler controls the window visibility or exits the app. The tray icon is now configured and ready to use. Every tray app needs an icon. Let's check our icons folder. Tauri uses the app icon for the tray by default. The icon configuration is already set in Tauri. Conference JSON. Here's our tray app running. Notice the icon in the system tray. Clicking the tray icon shows our custom menu with show, hide, and quit options. The hide option minimizes the window to the tray, and show brings it back. That's how easy it is to create a system tray app with Tauri.